I don't want to get copyright striked, but hey, what the frick? Sweeping on a board. The roombas be afraid of me. Hashtag anti-roomba. Kinda crap. This video is much just really just watching me broom stuff and talk like the idiot I am. Ooh, that's so nice. Okay. Oh crap! Oh, let me check. Hold on a minute. I got a cobweb or something. This thing can go really fast. At least to me. All you race car drivers out there, this is super slow. But to me, 7 miles an hour is probably slower than I can run. At least on something on wheels. It's freaking fun and fast and stuff. I don't know, all I know is on my electric scooter is like 4 times faster than this. Which you saw me ride in my first video. We're really trying hard to find something that I can use like a GoPro, but not. Crap. This is kind of hard because it's bouncing. Oh, now you're not going to... Oh, wait, look, it's doing it. It's like it's walking. Anyway, this is my newest video. I have 3 subs now, which I now beat Jordan Shaw, my friend. It was a grueling 2 days, but hey, I did it. A low quality content gets you subs. I'm gonna put it up against my chest and see what happens. If you have been wondering, yes, I've been wearing the same shirt and shorts for 3 days. Okay, you're probably in your underwear in bed right now. I probably shouldn't have said that. Yeah, I'm gonna sweep more and head off to the road to talk again. I don't really have many ideas for YouTube. I don't know, maybe I can start making low quality comics and read them out. Truck just went by. Oh crap, I should have blurred out the license plate. But I don't know how to edit, so. Oh crap. I actually wiped out earlier today. I might be able to show you this. I'm not sure if you saw it. I can't really flip the camera, it's not popping up. I got it nice and steady. I was actually doing this earlier and I wanted to make a video about it. Happy quarantine! Well, it's not really a quarantine anymore. Well, at least in America. If anybody has a hoverboard and wants to do this, you better give me credit for this, man. Okay, I'm probably never going to be able to copyright the idea of being able to sweep while riding a hoverboard. I might read out some comics that I make because I'm okay at drawing. Well, I'm actually really good among my friends, and I've been making comics and drawing. I've been making comics for about, I don't know, 2 years now. 3 years. Yeah, definitely 2 years. But I've been drawing my whole life. But I'll be at Jordan Shaw's house for tomorrow and after that. Oh crap. What I like to do is I like to swing this around the broom. Oh crap, don't want to get dizzy and drop the phone. If anybody wants to use my profile picture that I'm using, I actually got it from a funeral card posted from a meme. I don't use Reddit though, okay? Don't use like social media and crap unless you're old enough. So I had to use my finger for that because I'm using both of my hands. Obviously, I don't have 7 hands. This could actually be like a plow, and I could plow a bunch of animals and bugs. Just, off you go. Ugh. Oh yeah, in the last video I said I might go into the abandoned house. That's probably not, unless I actually get triple dog dared by my entire family, which isn't gonna happen because I don't want to risk getting rabies and I don't want to die. And then the only evidence of that I actually died of rabies and not getting murdered or something would be my crappy low quality YouTube videos. Just imagine that crime scene. Well, this child died. We have crappy YouTube video evidence. No, why do I sound like Stampy Long Nose or Long Head or someone, I don't know, became a judge. Just imagine if he was a judge though. Hello! Oh, I'm itchy, sorry. Hello everyone and welcome back to another court meet. And we will be deciding if Gregory actually murdered Jonathan. God. Yoink. Yeah. Uh-oh. Wait, I'm twisted. I'm twisted. My hands are on my back and it's stuck. Whatcha? My address is 724 Autism Road. Why did I make that joke out of the blue? I am painfully unfunny. Anyway, I'm gonna go murder some roombas in a little bit. Ooh, I'm itchy, hold on. Itchy. Hoverboard wipeout. Number 1.5. Oh yeah, I actually went on a walk with my dogs last night, and I found a caterpillar, and I named him Mr. Stripey. Crappy name, I know, but his full name would be Junior Lee Stripey. I'm just telling you random crap. Oh yeah, and I also have a scar on my foot, if you can, well, not on my foot, but on my kneecap. It's not really that bad of a backstory. I just smacked my knee on a boat, and I donked it open. I had a scab for like 2 months because I kept picking at it. Don't pick your scabs, kids. Always not pick your scabs. Why is it going that way? Oh God. If I fall down and I bleed out before I die, I'm gonna post this video. Oh yeah, don't mind the June 7th, 2020 vid. That's just because we forgot to name it. We are probably gonna name it trampoline stuff. Yes, that's what me of today would say, and not a few days ago version of me. Ow! I keep jabbing myself in the stomach with the broomstick. This is actually kind of fun. I know it's probably boring for you guys, which is why I'm about to put the broom away. I'm probably going to set it up for a minute and go for a ride. Hey guys. Perfect. I should probably pick that up now. I think I just came up with my catchphrase. Perfect! Oh, perfect! Oh crap, zoom it out. So yeah, now I'm gonna go riding. Nice woods, am I right? Oh, what happened here? Bunch of crippled dead leaves. It is like really hot today. It's like 90 degrees. Scooter kid, but he's on a hoverboard. Chipmunk. Anyway, I'm gonna ride up and down the road. Oh, don't mind that. Like I said in the last video, that's just it. I think I said it last video. Oh! Holy crap. A lot of people be crashing for views, but I only crash for pain. And stuff. Nobody wants to look at my foot fungus. I gotta aim it up. My friends told me this when they were over. I crashed my electric scooter around this area. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. This smells really hot. Ooh. Ow. Ooh, that burnt my feet. Yeah, so at least you got to see a wipeout. Ooh, it's steaming hot out here. That actually burnt the bottom of my feet. Ow. Yeah, kids, be careful on hoverboards. This is coming from a guy that's had one for like 2 weeks. Not even a week. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I want to wipe again. I don't want to cut myself open again. Got enough bust ups. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Shoot. Anyway, guys, goodbye. And if you care about my garbage, please subscribe.